En base a la experiencia que tienen, bueno, en todo ese recorrido que han tenido dentro del FOMLA, ¿qué oportunidades ven para las agencias peruanas? Porque mencionaban que la valla era súper alta para la TAM. Entonces, ¿qué oportunidades ven para agencias peruanas tipo como Carat para que se puedan destacar en un contexto regional, ¿no? Para que puedan superar esa valla o si tienen alguna recomendación de algún elemento específico que ustedes han diferenciado en una campaña ganadora, ¿no? Como que nos puedan dar esa sugerencia de qué es lo que han visto últimamente.
Jeremy, basically to translate it a bit, Araceli is asking, what do you recommend us, or what do you think can make a Peruvian agency stand out? Obviously, you have way more time on this industry than me. That's why I want him to reply on this. And if you have any, tips for them when it comes to what can make them win and stand out this year.
Yeah, absolutely. No problem. I will. The first one is definitely looking at some work that stood out for you and delivered exceptional results for clients. That's number one. The second one is something that may be a little bit different that you potentially have, done something that may have had a huge influence on society or has set a benchmark for the particular medium you're working in, or has been something that you took some wonderful insight, and from that insight you discovered something that no one else has done before, something unique. I think the other key thing is we ensure that on our jury we have members from each of the countries. So when there is a Peruvian judge, they will always fight the corner of Peru and provide a perspective of that country. So you will have, they'll say, actually, the results might have been a million likes, and they'll say a million likes is the equivalent of, 25 million in Brazil. So this is a really great achievement. So having kind of those key benchmarks, and I always think that the best tip is there are industry benchmarks for mediums that we may have used, and if you can show how that campaign has beaten those benchmarks, that stands out. And I think the beauty of Festival Media is the last couple of years, we've had work from the Dominican Republic that has won two golds, and Venezuela. So it's a real kind of mixed bag in there. But yeah, something that might be unique, something with amazing results, a fantastic use of the insights, and a great strategy.
Thank you.
Also, just to add something on that, given that I'm also Peruvian and I know, let's say, the problems that we as a country need to deal. What I've seen so far, in terms of, for example, Peruvian work that I saw in Cannes last year, is that all the social problems, economic problems, racism problems, many social problems that we do have in emerging markets, they are a great opportunity to find a solution through media. So I do believe that the problems that we do have as a country can be used as a great opportunity to use, creativity and media as a solution in order to make an impact on the region. So I would definitely consider to look onto social problems.